Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating essentials. Confirm the green lightning unit matches a 12V DC or 120V AC supply, and that firmware is up to date. Once done, position the device on a non-conductive surface and attach the grounding clip. This prevents surges and explains why we minimize interference. You then press the activation toggle briefly to enter standby, watching the status LED. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection while you proceed. Safety here avoids avoidable faults. You now move into operation. Select Pulse, Continuous, or Eco mode depending on task urgency and energy use, because each mode alters output behavior. Once mode is chosen, adjust intensity in 5% steps while watching the temperature readout to prevent thermal throttling. Then engage the targeting matrix and wait for a solid green lock. This confirms alignment and stable emission. If you need finer control, slow your adjustments and allow the cooling cycle to stabilize before increasing power again. You finish by powering down in reverse order. Reduce intensity, disengage the targeting matrix, and then toggle off to prevent stored charge. Once cooled, store the green lightning unit in a dry, temperature-controlled case and log runtime plus settings for repeatable results. If something goes wrong, if the lock indicator never turns solid green, reset the firmware and retry the sequence. Make sure to check cable continuity with a multimeter, because faulty wiring is the most common culprit and often the simplest fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.